In the world of rat rod drag racing, the competition isn't just about speed. It's about celebrating raw creativity and resourcefulness. That spirit extends to the trophies themselves, which often become legendary for their bold, handmade designs. Forget shiny store-bought awards. Imagine trophies crafted from salvaged engine parts, rusty gears, and battered pistons, each piece telling its own story of grease, sweat, and innovation. Builders weld together camshafts, spark plugs, and license plates, transforming junkyard finds into striking works of art. Some trophies feature old carburetors mounted on brake drums, while others incorporate steering wheels or even vintage taillights that still flicker with life. The designs are as wild and unique as the rat rods tearing up the strip. Winning one isn't just about crossing the finish line first, it's a badge of honor, a testament to the builder's ingenuity and grit. These trophies perfectly embody the DIY heart of rat rod culture, turning every award ceremony into a showcase of imagination, hands-on skill, and the enduring spirit of speed and style.